simple math. Today I will explain the first exercise about a high level of proficiency, which is called excelling. Excelling is the same as high. The first time you see the exercise, because instruction is factorized, you are going to be scared maybe. Because look, you have a parenthesis, an addition inside the parenthesis, and it's raised to the power of 2. Maybe you're going to think, oh, this is Pascal triangle, we need to expand by using Pascal triangle, and it's not like that, because instruction is factorized. So if you have this exercise alone, and instruction is expand, you use Pascal triangle to expand, right? But that is not the case. So we see the exercise, we have parentheses, maybe we're going to be scared, but it's not like that. If you see, yes, the exercise attentively, you will see that this is a trinomial. This is the first term, this is the second term, and this is the third term. Yes? So it's not a perfect square trinomial because 204 doesn't have a square root. So it's a trinomial in the form x squared plus bx plus c, which is called TIF, right? Now I'm going to determine or identify which is x. X squared is the parenthesis square. In a funny way, I call this apple. Apple squared. Apple squared plus b, which is an integer coefficient. X is the square root of the apple. Look, this is the apple plus c or minus c. Yes? Could be positive or negative. This would be positive or negative. Okay? So, that is a trinomial in the form x squared plus bx plus c. Okay? So, I'm going to develop the step to factorize. I open two parentheses. I open the first one. And I open the second one. Okay? So, in the first parenthesis, I write the square root of the first term. Apple squared, the square root of apple squared is apple, so this is a parenthesis. So, x plus 1. Yes? And I repeat in the second parenthesis the square root. Okay? Now, I'm going to write the sign of the first parenthesis, which is the sign of the trinomial. And in the second parenthesis is the multiplication of the two signs. Negative and negative gives me positive. So, because the number is big, I have to do prime factorization. I'm going to do the prime factorization here. 204. Yes? 204 is divisible by 2. 204 divided by 2 is 101. 101 is divisible. Sorry, 102. 102. So 102 is divisible by 2. So the answer is 51. 51 is not divisible by 2, but is divisible by 3. Remember, when a number is divisible by 3, when the sum of the digits is in the table of 3, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 is in the table of 3, so this one is divisible by 3. Remember, I told you the previous videos. If you don't know the answer of the division, you have to work out. That is not going to be my case, but because I'm recording the video. So 51 divided by 3 is 17. Yes. And 17 is not divisible by 2, not divisible by 3, not divisible by 5, not divisible by 7, not divisible by 11. Remember, I'm using prime numbers. Not divisible by 13 is divisible by itself, which is a prime number. So 17 is divisible by 17, and that's it. If we multiply the numbers, the answer is going to be 204. That is not the problem. The problem is that to place two numbers here, that when we subtract, because this one is going to be negative, this one is going to be positive. When we combine an integer that is negative and an integer that is positive, when we combine, the answer is going to be negative. Sorry, negative or positive. The thing is, we subtract and we keep the sign of the previous one. So when we subtract these two, the answer must be minus 28. So let's try looking for the numbers. 2 times 2, 4. And if I combine these two, 3 times 17, 3 times 7, 21, we carry 2, 51. I think it's 51. So if we combine 51 and 4, subtracting, yes, the answer is not going to be minus 28. Never in the life. So let's try to do another combination. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 and 17, when we combine, we have a chance that gets minus 28? I don't think so. So this combination either worked for me. So let's try doing another combination. Which is, let's try this one. 2 times 3 is 6. And 2 times 17 is 34. Do we have a chance that when we combine 34 and 6, do we have a chance to get minus 28? Yes! Yes! That's the answer. So we place the numbers. So 6 and 34. Question is this the way to place the answer? No, because minus 6 plus 34 is positive 28, and the answer must be negative 28. So this is not the way. We change, or we switch 34 here and 6 here. So minus 34 plus 6. When we combine, we subtract, and the answer is minus 28 because we keep the sign of the greatest one. This is the answer. If you see, the structure of the exercise is different from a medium level of proficiency. It has parentheses, it also has a big number, so we have to write factorization, make combinations, and things. Okay guys, thanks for watching Simple Math, and see you in the next video. See you.